Well, moving across to India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged Indian citizens to support the country as it navigates global economic turbulence, while supply chains disruptions as well as rising prices triggered by international conflicts. Now, speaking at an event in Hyderabad, PM Modi said patriotism is not only about sacrifice on the battlefield, but also about how people live, consume, and contribute to the nation during challenging times. In a broad appeal, the Indian Prime Minister urged citizens to reduce their dependence on imports and help conserve the country's foreign exchange reserves. PM Modi asked people to cut petrol and diesel consumption by using metros and public transport wherever available and shifting goods transport to India's rail network.
साथियों, आज जो संकट है, उसमें हमें विदेशी मुद्रा बचाने पर भी बहुत जोर देना होगा, क्योंकि दुनिया में पेट्रोल डीजल इतना ज्यादा महंगा हो गया है। पहले से कई गुना ज्यादा कीमतें बढ़ गई है। तो हम सबका दायित्व है कि पेट्रोल डीजल की खरीद पर जो विदेशी मुद्रा खर्च होती है, पेट्रोल डीजल बचाकर हमें वो मुद्रा भी बचानी है।
Reminding Indians of COVID-era measures, the Prime Minister made an appeal for work-from-home arrangements, online conferences, and virtual meetings. PM Modi also asked Indians to help preserve foreign exchange by avoiding what he described as non-essential spending abroad. He urged people to skip unnecessary foreign travel and overseas vacations. Instead, he called on citizens to support domestic tourism and celebrate within the country. The Prime Minister also requested people to avoid non-essential gold purchases for 1 year, warning that large-scale gold imports put pressure on India's foreign exchange outflows. In a push for greater self-reliance, PM Modi asked citizens to prioritize made-in-India products and support locally manufactured goods.
सोने की खरीद एक और पहलू है जिसमें विदेशी मुद्रा बहुत अधिक खर्च होती है। एक जमाना था जब संकट आता था, कोई युद्ध होता था, तो लोग देश हित में सोना दान दे देते थे। आज दान की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन देश हित में हमको ये तय करना पड़ेगा कि साल भर तक घर में कोई भी फंक्शन हो, कोई भी कार्यक्रम हो, हम सोने के गहने नहीं खरीदेंगे, सोना नहीं खरीदेंगे। विदेशी मुद्रा बचाने के लिए हमारी देशभक्ति हमें चुनौती दे रही है और हमें इस चुनौती को स्वीकार करते हुए विदेशी मुद्रा को बचाना होगा।
The Prime Minister's message extended to India's farming sector as well. PM Modi asked farmers to cut chemical fertilizer use by half, move towards natural farming methods, and help protect soil health while reducing dependence on imported agricultural inputs.